Got a caller. One sec. Peace.
Jeez,
Peace.
my
Hello.
name is Mello. I'm just calling for Talib.
Okay. He on the line. Talib, can you hear him?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Peace to the God.
Peace, peace, man. I happen to know this gentleman calling in.
Salute.
uh,
What's up, bro? How you been?
I've been magnanimous. You heard?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know the word.
So I just wanted to ask a question because it's been something that's been on my mind. Now, you talk about the silver method and um how to work through a lot of your past traumas, right? Um,
Hmm.
but I think there's something that is like a piece of the puzzle that's missing for a lot of us, and it's the seven sins, right? I can't list them all off the top of my head, but for the most part, there's greed, there's jealousy, there's lust, there's envy, there's all these, there's all these, I don't know, attributes that come with the human, that come equipped with the human avatar, right? How do we get past these seven sins that I believe, for the most part, not plague us all, but are attached to us? How do we move past that?